Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing your data and credentials so the reset completes without lockouts. First, backup photos, contacts, and app data to Google Drive or export to a PC. Make sure sync finished. Once done, confirm the device has over 50% battery or plug it in, and write down the Google account email, password, and any screen lock PIN or pattern. Now, go to Settings to begin the factory reset process. I'll walk you through the exact menus next. You navigate to Settings, then System, and choose Reset options where Erase All Data, Factory Reset appears. This is the standard path on most Androids. When prompted, enter your PIN or password to authenticate, because Android requires confirmation to protect your data. Then tap Erase Everything to start. If the device is unresponsive, boot to recovery mode using power plus volume keys, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset, and confirm. Make sure you wait. You'll see the welcome screen after reboot. Proceed through setup and sign in with the same Google account used before the reset to avoid factory reset protection locks. Once signed in, restore apps and settings from your Google backup if desired, and reconfigure security and accounts. If the device fails to boot, gets stuck, or asks for unknown credentials, try another recovery reset, use a different USB cable if using PC tools, or boot into recovery and clear cache. This usually resolves common hangups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.